Starting around 19 July 2023, Jasmy coin really is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Jasmy fundamentally has an all-out market cap of $189,590,903, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $15,555,528, or so they basically thought. This makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, especially positioning at 144 in the cryptographic money market. Sort of additional appearance how starting around 19 July 2023 Jasmy coin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.11% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin for the most part be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Jasmy coin a very wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 amazingly? Will Jasmy cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high, which for the most part is very critical? These truly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a sort of significant manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost fundamentally is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.005, the normal truly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to basically be $0.005 in a significant manner. Besides Jasmy can in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.005, so will Jasmy value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Jasmy value figure July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Jasmy coin especially is supposed to sort of arrive at any rate value worth of $0.004, which really is very huge. The Jasmy cost could explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0.004, with the truly normal cost around $0.004, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Jasmy value figure August 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for August 2023 expects that the Jasmy may really arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0.005 with a genuinely least cost of around $0.004 in a genuinely large manner. Discussing the truly normal value Jasmy can in a real sense stretch around $0.004 for August in a fundamentally large manner. Jasmy coin value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could really stretch around $0.005, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in September 2023 basically is $0.004 with a by and large normal cost of $0.004, which generally is very critical. Jasmy coin value estimate October 2023. The very normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could generally go to $0.005 toward the finish of October 2023, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy could in a real sense exchange around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.005, with the base expected cost of $0.004, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the very greatest cost for Jasmy coin could especially stretch around $0.005 in a truly significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in November 2023 basically is $0.004 with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.005, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. Jasmy coin cost especially is supposed to for the most part reach between $0.005 to $0.005 in December 2023, while the by and large normal cost of Jasmy for the December fundamentally remains around $0.005. Jasmy coin genuinely passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been diminished by 0.14% in its by and large current worth. Assuming we certainly look at the especially current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, exhibiting that Jasmy value conjecture July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Jasmy coin most certainly is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $0.004, or so they especially thought. Jasmy coin for the most part is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, which especially is genuinely critical. The Jasmy in a real sense is down to nearly 5.23%. In the sort of most recent 7 days, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense, solid basics at the same time. We don't actually feel that it could a productive resource in present moment. Exhibiting that on the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin for the most part be in every practical sense worth in 2023? Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy diminished by 43.240%, taking out an incredible essentially normal amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth. Or so they especially thought. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a very decent truly purchase and open door for pretty fast venture. Showing how Jasmy coin value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Jasmy coin could in a real sense stretch around $0.005, which for the most part is very critical. The 90 days cost change truly is near 25.72%, and the cost flowed from an especially least by and large normal cost of $0.005 to sort of greatest most certainly normal cost of $0.005 in the sort of beyond 90 days, or so they fundamentally thought. In truly most recent 4 months Jasmy coin truly has shown a developing pattern, which generally is genuinely critical. Accordingly, we feel that comparative pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, which in a real sense is very critical. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin certainly is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that in the event that we look at the extremely current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is likewise down, showing that Jasmy value gauge July 2023. Concerning July 2023. Jasmy coin generally is supposed to truly arrive at an in every practical sense, least value worth of $0.004 by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin really is up by 7.45%, with the exceptionally greatest